Naked Cosmo, you have that? Sangria too?
I drink the sangria.
And then Naked Cosmo? You pick up Kashi tonight? Kasha?
I'm gonna rock and roll too.
Dana?
Hmm? Yeah.
Yeah, you done. I
She
mean,
go climb up on it. After me tell her, oh, me give it to Max yesterday. Today I dream about it.
this morning, right? After she showed me last what she do, right? This morning. I'll be in 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes? Hurry up to go shower, blah blah blah. Then me do my business, man. I don't forget how to put up the phone up. I'm like, you know what? Fuck this bitch. So me concentrate on what I got to do here. Because nothing I walk. Nothing I walk.
So you try to do it. That's what I do for you.
Me they do it. No.
Exactly.
No.
So wait now.
How's everything so far?
Very
So good. Thank you
The
so
in-laws
much.
is there, so we need an order of this.
Okay, you already told me
Yes.
everyone, right? Okay. Did you want that to go or are we
No,
eating
it's for
it?
her.
It's for her?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Do you want another one of your lamb?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Do you want? Yeah.
No. Yes.
Anyways.
No.
No, so yesterday-
No. After she tell me what she do, right? Me want to laugh hard this morning, but me can't laugh hard. So when I'm dry like grass, I'm like, I'm like, ow, like it's dry, right? Ow. I'm like,
You know why?
so here I said, listen to the period to come, everything is hard, like, ow. I'm like, oh shit, this one blank it out. Then I'm like, oh baby. Have you heard what I said?
I think what you go to
And she don't understand nothing when we
I
just
do understand.
So
And you know what
anyway.
we're talking about? Do you know what we're talking about?
Yes, I
What?
think so.
What?
Huh?
About her itching. Answer we're talking about her itching.
Hear what?
Hey, no man, answer we're talking about her itching.
No. Hear what? Yeah. I'm just here, but that we are talking about. After me tell her how me why my foot did I hurt me when Erica laugh after me, right?
She watch the video?
No.
No, but I was telling her
Last
about
night.
it. And then now me go show her what me did I do. And show her instead
Last
of she
night.
focus on where she I get this morning, she I think about when me tell her what she fi do.
Because she wants to try it.
No, me want laugh hard. Me want laugh. Hey, no man. Me want laugh. Me can't laugh. And no man come with the man thing, everything's dry like grass. I'm like,
And I'm for dry. Are you feel wet?
yeah. Because,
But you're not wet because you focus on me.
So that's what happened.
yeah. So I'm like, as the minute me say, you know what, screw that. Good, we're gone.
Make it kneel down. I have to put up with her.
Yeah. Who tell you? Of
Me
course.
get you right just up on the camera. Me get you.
You did?
This is so funny.
You did? Oh my God.
No, but nobody knows your face. Nobody have no idea who I talk, but this is so much fun. It's so funny. Me, I go
It's
post
true
it.
thing. I don't care, it's fine. It's
Yeah.
true. The thing this morning, hard and dry.
Oh my
dry.
God.
Yes.
Because she never did a focus.
No,
Kind
but
of
I
focus.
tell you.
Yeah.
Me, I talk about.
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Yeah.
Oh, kind of focus.
She never did focus.
Because I'm not think about this one.
You're nothing about a woman style, but look your own style. Oh, God.
I'm sitting in the head. What are you doing?
This is so funny.
No,
When she
sir.
come and when she come in this man and I tell me, I laugh till I ball, you see.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Why would I think about other people's style?
Because when maybe we can make her do something
You
stupid,
should
right?
have practiced it before you come.
No.
Practice by your dresser.
It's us. Because he puts up his foot so right from the bed. So
Yeah.
that's how when the foot put up, we're like, then he put up one foot, you don't feel
Me
like,
sure yesterday what me do why my foot did that hurt me when me done. Yeah, and Erica burst it out because Erica, she said my foot did that hurt me this Sunday even when we carry when we drop her off. So I hate me explain to her when me that do. I'm show her different style when me that do. Why me end up with this right hip hat me.
That I remember seeing a young girl again.
Me know, but,
yeah,
but me have a husband. Me can't come with the mama and papa style. Me still young.
But when you're done in a pain,
Yeah, that's okay.
that's where it's supposed to go. But I'm not it's supposed to go.
Yeah, but me have to do.
Also, the time.
Me that do too much. Me overdo it. That's
Me
it.
left
Me
my
not
phone
lying.
and in Jean car. So I say, oh God, if I try to call me and I'm thinking, I'm going to see 7 missed calls. Today was good. The whole day I get called about today.
No.
And you never give me style when I show you.
But Dana,
I'm gonna do my own thing.
she said she do her own thing because she couldn't remember for your style.
No, when the man put me foot like this on my bed, right? One foot at the bed and one foot at the ground. So she do the thing.
That's all. I never saw you do it. No shoulder.
Nobody that do it on shoulder too. But I also come up from the bed and cock up one foot down on the floor and one.
You really think say you're young, girl? It was like they were aggressive to tell you what happened to you.
Yeah.
And so Chrissy can't do it.
And one foot, so when the man put 3 foot, you remember she? Like, what the ass is this? So that's
Oh,
what
you must say, oh, I don't want to.
So I couldn't like stop remember the thing for laugh. No, I laugh so hard. So I have to do something wrong now.
This is so funny. Oh my god.
Back in the days when me was so.
No, I did overdo it that night. So the night when I put on me, I had different style.
And we can just know if I go home Friday or Saturday. Fasting will start Sunday. Then
Ramadan and go and you can't do
no,
nothing.
no. Let's see the moon.
What is?
Yeah? The day will start.
It's okay.
How's the salad, Samira? I mean,
That's right, look at this.
I will just now.
God, that's God, you love it.
How's your salad?
Green
No, I think the
salad.
salad is no good.
Then do the salad, then
Not like this.
let them do it with them.
So good.
Then she loves your face, fuck up her food.
What the name of this? I love this.
Oh my God.
Yeah, when you come up
Yeah, a lot
with you order things that you don't eat.
No. I can't go wrong with salad.
Take that home and eat it fresh.
I'm telling this.
You're gonna carry on the fried food? It's not gonna nice. You know when it's fried, it's nice.
And eat one
This
of
look
them.
really nice. Now let's taste it and see.
Taste it.
Yeah. My son, yeah.
Here.
Oh yeah.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone.